Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can add your header on social Mastodon social app. Okay, so how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So we need to click or go to Mastodon social app, then go to here top right corner on your screen. It's called settings icon. So click settings and scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option account settings, this one. So click on this and then again click here, top right corner on your screen. Click on this and then click profile, the first one. So click profile and then scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option a header. It's called header. So this one you can read the requirement. So PNG, GIF, it means animated, or JPG. So you can add this type of format, and it's up to 2 MB, and the measurement is 1500 to 500 pixel. Okay, so click choose file. I have already downloaded a picture, so I'm just choose this, done, and click save change and close this option and go to your profile page. So I'm going to profile page and you see that I just successfully added my header. Okay, so you can easily add this on your Mastodon social page. Okay friend, today is Noman. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.